Hello, I'm Sue Grant, and today we're having a look at one of my favourite yachts, which is the Oyster 655 Roulette. She's here with us in Lymington, and she's rather more than just an Oyster 655. She has a carbon rig. Importantly, the hull has been lightened with the outer skin in a custom carbon Kevlar laminate. She has a carbon rig. This is 2.5 metres higher than the standard rig, and it's a ton lighter than the aluminium alternative found on many of her sisters. She draws 2.95 metres, and she's got a ton of lead less in the keel than the standard boat. She's very light, very fast. When this owner commissioned her, he was determined to have a boat which was fast and powerful, great for oyster regattas or international regattas, but also a boat that could sail fast and far, and she has done both. Here we're looking at the aft deck, main sheet traveller there, pod for the antenna. She's running on Fleet 33. And then nice manageable side decks. I do love this tow rail with just the hard edge and no teak on top. Looks very modern. And then we're going forward up to the foredeck. There are some chocks here for a rib. Nothing as elegant as davits on this yacht. She deploys the rib from the foredeck. And she's got Reckman on the front sail, hydraulics. Forward lazarette. Lovely clear decks. She's from 2007, and the teak decks are in great shape. We haven't treated them for this video, but she has had a big tidy up and is looking fantastic. Here is her carbon spar. It's lacquered with a spinnaker pole stowed on the mast. Fully battened mainsail. Park Avenue. And then we're moving back past the deck saloon. Non-slip on the top deck, which has all been tidied up. And there is this huge cockpit, twin wheels, they're carbon of course. Aft lazarette lockers. And here, this is very cool, is the access aft into the owner's cabin. So there are two ways out when you're the owner. Very large cabin. And then we're just going to walk easy access into the cockpit. I'm afraid that the cockpit table needs some attention now. It's refrigerated. And there we can see the space, and it's also a very protected area. Down below is also a little bit special. It's in maple with maple floors. The fittings are custom made by Franchini. The owner had a lot of input into this interior look and feel, which he did with the Rob Humphreys design team. Lots of volume, very good galley. Everywhere is stainless steel. Stainless steel fridge, stainless steel splashback. Very funky kitchen tap fittings. Electric hob, another fridge, and then easy steps up. That galley is also excellent when you're at sea. This table extends to double the size. The veneers are in faultless condition. If you can just see the air conditioning grills, they're all custom made and they are beautiful. And this navigator's chair is simply too cool for school. She's running on Raymarine and she's got hybrid touch. Stainless steel control panel, that's of course again totally custom. And then we're going to walk down. There's a good upper and lower berth cabin to starboard. You can see it there, lots of light. I don't know whether you can see, but you've got entertainment on both bunks, which is very cool. Good storage. Nice place to be. And then into that owner's cabin, which we accessed from on deck. Large double, split mattress, lee cloths everywhere, sofa, dressing table, another chair on the port side. White bulkhead aft, which looks very cool. Just a large and spacious and nice place to be. So Harry's going up the steps again, off our videographer, and back down we come and into the owner's heads. She has 3 heads on board, and they're all in excellent condition. Big shower stall. This yacht has had a total interior valet, and in many parts she just looks new now. All of the doors, all of the interior joinery is lightened. So it's carbon foam core, all the bulkheads. Gives her real advantage in terms of speed. And then forward, you have a really good guest cabin here. Double. Again, good storage. Light just floods in. And then a lovely ensuite, nearly as large as the owner's. All in really good shape. All looking really fresh. The door handles were custom built for Roulette. And then here we've got a big upper and lower berth cabin. This has its own heads, which has a Jack and Jill arrangement, so this will also serve as a day head. Again, another shower. So that works really well. And again, looks unmarked. Harry's now going to go in via the other door, and you can see how that works. And then back into the main saloon. Lovely leather upholstery. He's just walking over access to the generator, batteries and so on. And then here, if we just open the door, here is the engine room. It's a Perkins Sabre, 187 horsepower, serviced and shut down before she was brought ashore. Good sound insulation. Very easy to work the engine. You see there's panels so that you can store stuff in the doors, which is really good. And then back into the main saloon. Roulette, she's been for sale for some time, but do give her another look because she's lovely.